Let's now proceed to our next task, which is the DHCP server. So let's now add rows first. Click the add rows. Click next. Then let's check the DHCP server. Then click next. Then next. Let's select our default IP address. Next. This is our domain name. This is the preferred DNS server. So let's add alternate DNS servers, which is 127.0.0.1. Click next. Then let's choose the default option. So let's now add a new scope. Scope name, let's say TUPT. The starting IP address based on this is 172.31.0.1, and our ending IP address is 172.31.0.254. And our subnet mask is 255.255.240.0. Then let's click OK. And this is the scope that we created. Click next, and let's just leave it by default. Enable DHCP6. Click next. Click next, and this is the summary. And let's install it. Then let's wait for the installation to finish. So the installation is succeeded. Let's close this door now. Then let's go in administrative tools and DHCP. Then let's expand this and IPv4 and click the server options and DNS servers. So based on this, DNS server IP address is the same as DHCP server. Also add Google and OpenDNS public DNS server IP addresses. So let's now add a Google DNS, which is 8888, add, and 8844, add. Next is the OpenDNS public and the public DNS server IP addresses. For OpenDNS is 208.67.222.222. Add, and for public DNS is 208.67.220.220. Let's now add. Then click apply, click OK. Then let's configure the properties. Here at scope, let's click the properties, and based on this, IP address list expires every 8 hours. So let's set this to 8 hours. Then click apply. So the next is do not distribute the first 30 and last 30 valid IP addresses. So here are address lists. Let's now add the new exclusion range. Right click, new exclusion range, which is the start IP address is 172.31.0.1, and the end IP address is 172.31.0.30. Let's add. The next is for the last IP address, which is 172.31.0.225 and 172.31.0.254 and add. Let's close this. For the router, this router IP address is valid IP address. So let's click this DNS server, then click D or check the router, then add the valid IP address, which is 172.31.0.1. We click add live and OK. Now we are done on the task, which is the DHCP server.